Who would have thought na madami magiging interested sa free webinar on AI sa Reddit, no? So, today I decided to post a free webinar sa Reddit and wala pa yatang 5 minutes. There were so many signups already. I'll show you how it looks like. So this one is I put here the free AI course for those who want to add AI to their skill set. So ayan, pinost ko dyan. So a little bit of a background, and to be honest, I wasn't really expecting na may sasali sa free course na to. So, but surprisingly, there were so many people who were commenting about it. And ito yung nakakatuwa, no? I'll show it to you. So on the sign up page, there are already like let's see, over 157 signups already. And then, oh yeah, may sumama pa, may sumahabol ulit. And ginawa ko kasi, when in the sign up, I asked them to not to give their names, but to give their superhero or villain name na lang. Kasi since Halloween naman, no? So, natuwa lang ako. I wanted to share this because I think there's a lot of people who are, like, beginners on AI, and medyo madaming freelancers and people who are employees who are interested in AI. So I'll be giving this on November 14, around 7 p.m. So if you're interested, I can message you or you can DM me, So yun, I'm kind of proud na, I mean, people are interested in this topic of AI, especially mga Filipinos, no? So if you're interested in joining the webinar, it's going to be on November 14 at 7 p.m. It's going to be on Zoom. So you can DM me for the details na lang if you are interested in it, no? So if you like to know more about AI or any AI stuff, especially how you can apply to your work or make money from it, follow me here and let's connect with each other. So yun, thank you very much.